So let's start here and go down. And on this corner, there's 2 seats. But that's not how it's done. We sit right there with our feet, with our a stone for each foot. Okay? Easy to get up into. And then we get ourselves as centered as possible. There's a strange shape. These two they don't really line up correctly. It does some kind of quadrant thing. Anyway, within a generic situation, so I put a marker in the center of the moon pond, and it points directly to Ed's door, from the center of that star, up through that gap right there across the sundial, into the engineering room. And that right there is where that iron bar with the coil sticks across. That's the window. And oddly enough, oddly enough, the chair sits at an angle opposite the side, so there's 2 control mechanisms. There's the viewing side of it, and then there's the control coming through that gap. And that is the rock that rings. So I believe the generator fired up that rod. That rod sent a field to that ringing spire right there on the sundial at the right time where Ed could see down from the chair. And that field comes through to the center of this device. And that thing would then reflect the frequencies off, and these 2 arches pick it up. They're sound cavities. This is a sound cavity. What are the sounds of? If you're going to put one frequency in, would you want to get one frequency out? And the answer is no. You want something off just enough. So if I stand there, you can see that they are not the same. And I'll measure those too. You can see there's differences. Well, I won't even speculate. I'll measure later.